if you were looking for a way to record or stream on a console or on a certain game that's only on console, then you are watching the right video. So first you're going to need your console and a computer with one of these USB ports. I'll show that later exactly what that's for. You're going to need a capture card. The one here is an Elgato HD60S. That is a very good model. You can get it for about $120 on Amazon or less on eBay brand new. So you're going to use a HDMI cord, and that's going to hook into your dock for Switch or console, and then it will go through to the TV like normal or monitor. Sorry about the mess. So back here we have everything plugged into the dock and then the capture card. So it plugs into the capture card and then goes out the capture card to the TV, and then from there we also have the USB-C cord, and that will plug into the computer. As you can see down here right now, I'm using a PC. Any laptop works. This is my school laptop. I'll show you how to get past admin settings and like set up recording on that. It's super easy and it doesn't affect anything. So when you plug the card in, it'll flash white twice like that, and that's how you know it's ready to go. If it doesn't flash white twice, you might need to download the driver. So you'll look that up, click on the first link, or if that's not the first one, you scroll through until you find your capture card. Right now I have the HD60S, so you click on that. The download will pop up. I already have it, so I'm not going to need to download it right now. The next step will be downloading OBS. That's what you'll use to actually record or stream what you're doing. So you'll click on the first link. You're going to click on Windows if that's what you have. Otherwise, there's some other options. I also don't need to download that. Otherwise, you can download the zip file. This is to get past admin settings. And you'll download the zip. You'll click on it, open it up. Let me drag it over. Right here, you'll click on bins. And then you'll go into your 64-bit and you'll scroll down and find this file, OBS 64. Click on it, extract all, and it should bring up this, and you'll just click extract. All this does is take everything out of the zip, and then you just let it load. This might take a little bit. I sped it up. Then it'll show it up again. You just click on bin again. You go into full 64, then you go to OBS, launch anyway. It might not say that, but just launch it. Let me drag it over. Yeah, excuse that. Okay. What? There we go. And this is OBS, and now I will be going over how to actually set it up. Let me pull over OBS that I'm using right now. Okay, so this, while I'm setting it up here, this is what it'll look like. As you see, my Switch is just streaming the screen. So that's just how it works. So this is the video recording software. As you can see, I started recording. You'll click that button when you want to start, but now I'll show you how to set up some of the sources that you'll want to add. So first, you'll want a microphone. So you're going to go up and add audio input capture. You can rename it whatever you want. It really doesn't matter what you name it. And then you can either set it to default input, or you can just put in whatever you think you might need. So you'll have, that'll show up, and then on the side here where it says mic in the audio mixer, that kind of shows your levels. So to add the capture card, you'll put in video capture device. You can also rename that to whatever you want. I'll just put in Elgato HD60S because that's what I have. Just name it whatever you need it to. And then I'm just dragging this here. You can reshape it over, like you can lay over stuff on the screen, but I'm just putting it there to kind of show you. It's off right now, so it's just a black screen. Here are my audio levels. Just turn down the mic. And then we're gonna go to settings. You're gonna need to go into your video and change it. You're gonna want it to be that 1920 by 1080. That's the normal. And you're gonna want to set your FPS to 60. Mine's at 30 right now. Okay, now video editing. Clipchamp is a great video editing service, completely free by Microsoft. So you just type in Clipchamp, and it should be the first thing that pops up. So you click on that. It says try for free. It's not a subscription. So if you just click try for free, all it'll do is just pull it up, and it's just the free version, which has everything you'll need. So here, as you can see, it can split. You can just combine videos. You can add transitions. There's so much free sources. I'll just go through this a little bit, and there's just a lot you can do. A ton of free like resources that you can just like put in, like music or stock images or videos. Okay, so the next thing will be uploading your video to YouTube. So we're gonna go to YouTube Studio, and then from there, we're gonna, here's my channel. You're gonna click Create, upload your video. You're gonna select the file you want. I'm just gonna choose something random right now. Let's just use this. I don't know, check out this video, I guess. I'm just gonna post it. vidIQ, great resource. Watch their channel and get their extension that does stuff like this. I typed in just something random, and here's all these great titles. I'm gonna use that one, and then I'm just gonna add something onto the end and put in my description. So just put whatever you want in the description. Just explain what you're doing or just whatever. And then you can add tags. I'm just gonna add hashtag Minecraft, hashtag gaming, and a couple other random things I just happen to do. And I'm gonna tag this channel because that's who I was playing with. So the next thing will be getting a thumbnail. Canva is a great resource. Because of school, I get a free account. I get access to all the premium stuff free, but they have so many free resources too. So here I'm going to choose one that looks decent. I'm just going to take out all this. I'm going to paste my image. I don't really want to share how I do those because it's kind of special. I guess if you find it, you're good. Have fun finding that. I'll make some of these for you, but I just like being able to do this. Then we're going to export it, and we're just going to see that ugly pre-made thumbnail. We're just going to upload this and insert it. Dang, that looks good. Okay, so that looks all nice. So we're going to scroll down here. Now we got tags. This is another very important part. vidIQ also helps with this. Just put in whatever, anything that has to do with your video. None of it really matters. So I'm just going to put in like some general tags that I usually do. And then we'll get to some more. So for the last thing, we're just going to add the language and add in like just a couple final things. Like none of this actually really matters. So you just click next to go through everything. It's loaded already, so just click public and we'll publish it. And then we'll go look at it to make sure everything looks all right. I usually watch through all of it, but
it failed. It didn't happen.
Cool.
And then let's give it a like and just go back to studio. and it all looks good.